Did you know the US is on track to face its largest labor shortage in history by 2032? And businesses are already losing billions to unfilled roles and outdated skills. Automation AI, changing demographics. The US economy is evolving fast, but traditional training systems just can't keep up. Healthcare will need over 1 million new nursing care roles by 2031. Manufacturing, facing a shortage of 2.1 million skilled workers by 2030. Retail, tech, logistics, it's the same story. These roles exist. The talent doesn't. The problem isn't jobs. It's skills. Training isn't overhead. It's risk insurance. It's how you prevent burnout, delay, churn, lawsuits, and missed growth targets before they happen. If it feels reactive, it's already too late. If growth isn't built into the job, neither is loyalty. Today's workforce expects development to be personal, digital, and immediate. If they have to dig for it, they're already on LinkedIn. Most training fails not because people don't want to learn, but because what we call training feels like homework from 2015. It's generic. It's slow. It's stuck on platforms designed before TikTok even existed. For 25 years, we've helped US and European businesses solve the same problem in 100 different ways. Not louder, not flashier, just smarter. Whether you're training frontline teams in logistics, onboarding new nurses, or scaling software skills, our rapid e-learning solutions work across industries, timelines, and platforms. Visit www.commlabindia.com to know more.